Are you ready for 2030?
Imagine waking up one day and realizing that your job no longer exists. Not because you failed, not because you weren't good enough, but because the world moved on without you. This is not a distant future. This is happening right now. We are living in one of the fastest transformations in human history. Artificial intelligence, automation, and advanced technologies are not just improving industries. They are replacing them. Entire job categories are quietly disappearing. And the most dangerous part? Most people still feel safe. They believe their job is secure. They believe they have time. They believe change will come slowly. But that belief is the biggest risk of all. Look around you. Self-checkout machines replacing cashiers, banking apps replacing tellers, chatbots replacing customer service agents. What once required people now requires only code. And this is just the surface. The real shift is deeper, it's faster, and it's unstoppable. So before anything else, you need to ask yourself one honest question. If the world keeps changing at this speed, will your current skills still matter? That the world we see is not the real one. So, if you ever find yourself in a place that feels off, if the silence becomes too loud, if your instincts tell you to leave, listen, because not everything in this world wants to be discovered, and some creatures are not hiding from us. They are hiding us from them. Artificial intelligence is no longer a tool of the future. It is the engine of the present, and it is evolving faster than anyone expected. At first, it replaced simple, repetitive tasks, factory work, data entry, basic operations. But now, it has entered creative and intellectual fields. AI can write articles in seconds, design professional graphics instantly, edit videos faster than entire teams, compose music, generate voices, build entire systems, and it keeps getting better every single day. Here's what makes it different from humans. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't need motivation. It doesn't take breaks. It doesn't complain. And most importantly, it scales infinitely. One AI system can do the work of hundreds, even thousands of people. For businesses, this changes everything. Why hire 10 people when one system can do it faster, cheaper, and more consistently? This is why companies are not thinking about AI anymore. They are already using it. And here's the uncomfortable truth. If your job is predictable, if it follows patterns, if it can be explained step by step, then it can be automated. So again, what makes you irreplaceable? Let's face reality. Jobs will disappear, millions of them. But this is not the end of work. This is the evolution of work. New roles are being created right now. Roles that didn't exist just a few years ago. AI specialists, prompt engineers, content strategists, digital creators. The opportunities are there, but here's the problem. Most people are not prepared to take them. Why? Because they are stuck in comfort. They rely on what they already know. They repeat the same routine every day. They stop learning. And, in today's world, stopping learning is the fastest way to fall behind. Technology does not wait. It does not slow down. It does not care if you are ready or not. It moves forward, with or without you. Think about this. The skills that got you here will not keep you here, and they definitely won't take you into the future. So the real danger is not AI. The real danger is staying the same. So now we come to the most important question. What are you going to do about it? Because you have two choices. The first one is easy. Stay where you are. Do what you've always done. Hope nothing changes. But deep down, you already know how that ends. The second choice is harder, but it's powerful. You adapt, you learn, you evolve, you build new skills, you understand technology, you learn how to use AI instead of fearing it. Because AI is not your enemy, it is your greatest opportunity. Those who learn how to use it will move ahead faster than ever before. Those who ignore it will slowly disappear from the game. In this new world, the strongest people are not the smartest, not the most talented, not even the most experienced. The strongest people are the ones who can learn, unlearn, and relearn faster than everyone else. So ask yourself one final time, are you growing or are you standing still? Because the future is not something that is coming later. It is already here, and every single day, it is deciding who moves forward and who gets left behind. The only question is, which one are you going to be?